Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy chignon bun in less than 3 minutes. To start, I'm going to apply some volume powder at the roots of the crown. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. And as my model has quite fine hair, I'm going to take each section of that crown and give it a gentle tease. If you don't like backcombing, you can skip this step. So once you've got that crown area teased, just flip it back over and smooth out the top layer with the edge of your comb. Divide the hair from ear to ear straight across and pop this into a small ponytail using a clear elastic band. Then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull at the hair to create more volume and texture. Now I've taken a hair donor and cut a small piece off of it, and it gives you this tube of padding. And I'm just going to pass the ponytail through the middle of that padding so it covers it. Then, holding on to the end, I'm going to roll this up towards the head and keep going until you reach the nape of the neck. Then secure all the way around that padding using a few bobby pins. Split the remaining hair in half. And I'm starting on the left hand side, and I'm just going to give it a gentle tease on the top layer right next to that padding. Now I'm going to apply some wax spray to the underside of the left section. Again, I'll pop this in the description below. And using a comb, I'm going to gently sweep this over to the right hand side of that padding. Give the hair a couple of twists towards the head at the end and secure it through that twist with a bobby pin on the right hand side. And then repeat on the right hand side, so add your spray, smooth it out and bring it over towards the left hand side. I'm just going to tuck it under that first section, so twist it once towards the padding, tuck it underneath and secure through that twist with a bobby pin. And then with the tail ends of that section, I'm going to tie them together into a ponytail, but on the last turn only pass it part way through to create a loop. This just makes pinning easier. And I'm just going to pop that loop underneath the last section and secure it with a couple of pins. Secure everything in place with some Stronghold hairspray. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.